Hi there. So if you're having trouble navigating websites or you're not really that good with computers, one thing you can use is rely on your county's library system. They have free classes on computers. Most libraries do. So just go to whatever library you have, and right now I have up here on the screen the Palm Beach County Library. See that? Palm Beach County. It's in Palm Beach, Florida. And if I go over here, there's like computer classes, event type right here. And I think you can hear this computer and technology. They have 172. Now, that doesn't mean they have 172 classes because sometimes they might offer a class once a month or every 2 weeks. That's included in there. So the frequency is counted as well. So if I just do computer classes right there, so these are all the computer classes in Palm Beach County, and you can select them by the branch. You know, you could do one close to you, but if not, it's a free class. So some of them you can do online, some of them you have to be there in person. So let me show you some of the classes that I think are good ones to have for you. Excel. So my library in Orlando, they have Excel in like 4 different phases. There's Excel 1, Excel 2, 3, and 4. So I did all of them because I was trying to learn more advanced functions for Excel, but I still wanted to know what else they covered in maybe some of the basic classes, that maybe there was something in there that I may not know that they go over. So I just did all of them. And those you can do from home or online. So for this one here, as you can tell, registration is full. You have to join the waiting list. So that's May 13th class. That's actually for tomorrow because I'm recording this on May 12th. Then they have like these tech people here in Palm Beach. Here it is, Tech Talk, which you can personalize attention in the areas of computers, mobile devices, online. So you basically get the tech for a 30-minute session. So if that's the case, then you need to write down any questions you may have and bring your laptop with you or your phone, whatever you're having the problem with. There's Tech Talk. Then they have a Tech Talk one-on-one, which I don't know how that's any different, but it's a 30-minute session as well. This is a good one too, passwords and password managers. Because if you don't use a password keeper or manager, you need to learn about that and why it's important. Let's see what else they've got here. Spotting scams, protect yourself from fraud. So if you've ever had issues with your computer, or you're of a certain age, you need to learn some of these scam techniques that they're using. So let's go here to page 2. See that they have 9 pages. Let's see what else. AI Shorts, single talk, easy to use image tools. So these are tools to create AI shorts. So I don't know, but basically go on. If it's anything AI all around us, I'd do it. Then Microsoft Word. If you have trouble using your Microsoft Word, you don't know what it is or how to use it, definitely go to that one. They also have them in Spanish. And I think the ones down in Broward have them in Creole in Miami. I'm not sure if the ones in Palm Beach do. Then they have iPhone Basics, Book-a-Librarian. That's personalized attention with the librarian. Online resources, more tech talk, intro to Microsoft Excel. So that's probably Excel 1. So then you can go down here and just see internet basics. If internet is a problem altogether, then just do internet basics. And they have it. You can see which are the classes they have coming up. So if you don't want to go to the Hagen branch, or however you pronounce it, Hagen Ranch Road, you can select a different library, or just look at it this way. These are free classes. When you used to work for somebody else, you would drive 30 minutes to go to work, or if you do currently have a job. So if it's 30 minutes away, that's okay. It's a free resource, and it's going to help you get to your goal, right? Because a lot of what we do with real estate, we have to be online. So you need to learn the internet basics. Now, if Palm Beach County is not your county, but you are a neighboring county, and your county does not offer online classes, sometimes these libraries have reciprocal agreements. So if you have a library card, because that's all it takes is a library card. And if you remember, if you live in a county or resident of that county, you get a library card for free. Your tax dollars already pay for it. So if you already have a library card for, let's say, Okeechobee County, which is a neighbor of Palm Beach, then you can see if Palm Beach has a reciprocal agreement where they will allow people in Okeechobee to use their resources online. Maybe they charge you $5 to get their special library card for people in Okeechobee, or maybe it's just free. But there's always a way. And the thing with real estate, you have to be a problem solver. You have to learn how to solve problems. And to be honest with you, if you show up at one of these tech talks with the tech there, I don't think they make you pull out your ID and prove that you live there, to be honest. I have no idea, but you could somehow squeeze a question in there and get help. Friday morning tech talk. Let's see, cloud storage basics. So basically, you get the gist of all these different classes. So that's all I'm going to do is just go over and see what are some of the other classes they offer. And then I'm going to pull up Palm Beach. I'm sorry, I'll do another video on Orange County because that's where I live. And they also have a good one too. Mousing around. So if you have a problem working your mouse, there's a class for that. Remember they say there's an app for that? There's a class for that. So there are classes for everything. Image editing, which, if you're having computer problems, you don't need to be doing image editing. But you can learn how to do image editing. Computer basics one-on-one. That's another class. Android basics. And they have classes. And if I back out of this computer, you'll see they got classes on everything. On crafts, on everything, okay? So much stuff. Maybe you're very good at something. You can offer to teach one of these classes for them. Help with electronic devices. They're not even limiting it to just your iPhone, your iPad. Whatever you need help with. Your printer's not working right, you cart the whole printer into them, I guess, and you get help with it. Your toaster, whatever, I don't know. They just say all electronic devices because that's funny. I don't even know what DJing with gear. I don't know what that is. Raspberry Pi, I have no idea. But let's see, page 5. Introduction to Canva. I love Canva. I do so much on Canva. And then Canva also has videos and courses. So you don't even need a library for Canva, but hey, they got a Canva class. So if you're comfortable with the library, then just do the Canva class. Footer, I don't know what that is. Cloud Library 101, green screen, Excel basics. Let's see, Book-a-Librarian, Tech Talk. Looks like they do Tech Talk several times a month. More mousing stuff, more mouse. Microsoft Word Intermediate. So that's the second level of Microsoft Word. And what they usually do is they offer these classes, like they might have, they had it on Thursday, and then on Friday they have intermediate. Or sometimes they have them all on the same day too. See, this one here, Microsoft Excel Basics, is from 4:15 to 5:30, but in the morning they have. So this one does not really kind of compute the way they do it. So yeah, it looks like everything else is just repeating. iPhone tricks. Let's see what else. Tech Talk. Resume building. AI book creation. And we're back to computers. Let's see what's on page 9. I probably should have done page 8. Maybe 8 and 9 won't have much. Tech Talk, Tech Talk, Tech Talk. Lots of Tech Talks. Let's see what's on 8. Introduction to Pinterest. Tech Time, iPhone, iPad basics. PowerPoint basics, if you need to learn PowerPoint. So this is if just going on YouTube and searching it on YouTube doesn't help you and you need a one-on-one type of help where there's somebody there that you can ask a question to and they will answer your question, do your local library. So for Palm Beach County, I went to events. That's how I found it. You can also go online and sign up for your library card. All right. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and stay up to date. Go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to hit 10,000 visitors. 10,000 subscribers. So please help us get there. All right. So I'm going to do another video on Orange County.